we already got some screws off right here. So you're gonna have 2 Torx right here, 1 right here. And once they're off, you're gonna be able to pop out this trim. Okay, there's actually a T20 Torx right under this speedometer. Okay, there's another 2 screws right here, T20 Torx. So you would have to remove the trim under the speedometer, the navigation. I'm not sure if the speedometer has to come out. Now we're going to be removing the dashboard, driver's side air vent. Ours is pretty much all apart. So you would open this little kick panel. You're going to have a screw right here. You're going to have a screw right here. So take this screw off. And then you're going to have one right here under the cluster area. So once you take those off, you might have to go a little further under. There's 2 more right here. Basically what you do is you pop it out and you're gonna have access to 2 more screws. These are 2 T20 Torx. You gotta remove this little grill. There's gonna be another hidden screw inside. T20 Torx.